In the previous video, we understood how goods and services are produced. But production alone is not enough. Goods produced in one place must reach people who need them. That brings us to the idea of exchange. Exchange means giving one thing and receiving another in return. In modern economies, exchange usually happens through money. You give money. You receive goods or services. This process connects producers and consumers. Without exchange, production has no real value. Exchange is necessary because people produce different goods, people have different wants, and no one is self-sufficient. Exchange allows people to specialize in production and satisfy multiple wants. This increases overall efficiency. Before money was invented, exchange took place through the barter system. Barter means exchange of goods for goods without the use of money. Imagine this situation. A farmer has wheat. A potter has pots. The farmer wants pots. The potter wants wheat. They exchange wheat for pots. That is barter. Although barter was simple, it had serious limitations, such as 1. Double coincidence of wants. Both parties must want what the other has. This is rare. 2. Lack of common measure of value. It is difficult to decide how much wheat for one pot, since there is no standard value. 3. Difficulty in storing wealth. Many goods cannot be stored easily. This makes barter inefficient. Because of these problems, money came into use. Money made exchange easier, faster, and more flexible. That's why modern economies do not depend on barter. So remember, exchange means giving and receiving. It links production and consumption. Barter is exchange without money. Barter had limitations. Money solved those problems. Once exchange takes place, income is generated. The next question is, how is this income shared among people? That brings us to the idea of distribution. If this explanation helped, please like and share the video. Also, subscribe to the channel. You can also leave a comment below if you want any part explained again. See you in the next video.